Hey guys, it is Sonia Miller. Welcome back to my vlog here called Living the Creative Life. It is me with Matt.
It's our weird weekend.
It's our weird weekend. It is, right? So if you're a creative like me, I got you covered. Me, Matt, and you, we're all going to explore a place together. We've never been here before.
No.
We are in the burg, in the big city of Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh. And there is a place down here. Some have said it's the most painted house in the world. What does that even mean? I don't even know what that means. We're gonna figure out what that means. What if I told you that there was another creative that worked as a waiter and he used all his tips to basically create the most magical place on earth? That's what he calls it. It's a happy place.
It is.
And we're told that he's just a super happy person. He bought a building.
He bought a building on a credit card.
He did. He bought a building on a credit card. I think it's an historic building, right? And he started painting it, and it kind of went on from there. He's a junker. He's a salvager. I guess he collects toys. He collects all kinds of things that he recycles to be able to create this place. And he lives there as well. But it's like an open air gallery. It's like an open air museum because it's his museum that he's put together, and people flock here. I think you can leave a donation if you want. And so we're coming down today to check it out. It pulls people from everywhere down here to be able to see it, and he's just doing what he loves to do. I've heard him say before when he's been interviewed that color is his therapy. So we're gonna go check it out because you know what? I don't know, but this sounds like our cup of tea. This is the worry box. So you're supposed to
write down your worries and your fears, and you put them in there, and your troubles.
And drop them into the box. Did you see all the moving outside. It is freezing. It is windy. But guess what? We got a superstar. We are a superstar and a super secret opportunity, amazing opportunity, and he invited us in. So
come in. This is my secret.
Hospitable.
This is my secret room.
Oh.
Ooh, nobody sees this.
Look at this, guys.
This is where I paint. Nobody comes inside because this is where I like to be alone when I paint and like concentrate. And like I'm working on this one right now. So it's like old wood. See the old wood?
It's beautiful.
Look up here. And look, this is what it becomes, huh?
So these are going to be flowers?
These are going to be flowers. They're going to be all over Randyland. So they're going to be like 5 feet, 10 feet, 3 feet. So all along Randyland will be like, well, like the Willy Wonka kind of an idea.
Yes.
And then I have a bunch of lollipops. So all over Randyland this spring will be a giant flower show. My partner went to heaven, so it'll be a memorial flower show for Mac. But this is what I'm doing now. But I do everything out of recycling and repurposing. I'm the Randyland Museum in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And this will be donated to the world as a new museum for therapy and happiness and joy and love. Because a lot of times people think of happiness as something that's very expensive, when really it's just like the person that you are inside. And it's the simple things, the little things. And that's what these are. And I put them together and now I build a puzzle. Oh yeah. I built Randyland for my own therapy. I have ADHD, OCD, and I don't know who I am. I flunked kindergarten to 3rd grade. I'm not smart. So I wondered like what
you're brilliant.
No, but I wondered like who I am, and like as a little guy I was like alone, and then I realized everybody in life has a crack, a blemish, a chip. So really everybody, there's a situation with everybody in life. So no one, when you compare yourself to others, think of that, well, they've got a blemish, even though they don't look like they do. They've got a blemish somewhere. So the whole idea is I realized that everybody's got a quirky, weird, unusual thing about themselves. So don't worry about what you're not, see what you are. So I built a museum to teach people that, well, weird is cool. So Randyland is a museum built out of all the things that I found that was weird or chipped or unusual or forgotten or in an alleyway or in a dumpster. So Randyland's a story of the past, educating the future of the past and what can be. So it's like a giant house of karma. It's like recycling the past and thinking about where to take it to the tomorrow. Pretty cool, huh?
I think it's amazing.
Awesome.
Well, I gotta give you a hug.
Well, thank you so much.
I'm not a hugger, but I'm gonna have to get in on
Give him a
this.
hug, will you, Matt? Give him a hug.
Yes.
You're a beast. You're a beast.
This guy, I have to say, is I met this guy for 5 minutes, and I can put this in the top 10 experiences in my life right now.
He's awesome.
This guy's amazing.
Guys, what do you think of that? Like, this day turned out to be even better than I anticipated. Like,
and I'm
it was
hugging strangers.
Matt's hugging people. Wait a second. You're what?
I'm hugging strangers.
Matt's hugging strangers, people we've never even met before. We just went off the street and into a house, which was a studio. And I just think how fortunate we were to not only get to see Randyland today, because I was completely happy and over the moon just being in there.
Yeah, and his assistant, he's an awesome guy.
Yes, got to meet him and his assistant. He's also a creative.
He is an amazing artist, especially from the special effects side of things.
Yeah.
He has 500,000 followers on YouTube.
We'll have to link that below.
We're gonna have to link it because he's done some amazing
creative
stuff.
Supporting creatives. Absolutely. Creative meets a creative. Somehow you just get like, it just ignites into just beautiful conversation, and you feel like strangers become friends, right? Because you just identify and you have a common ground. So speaking of the grounds today here, was beautiful. I hope you guys put it on your bucket list when you come to visit the Junk Monkey. Take a quick spin out as well to Pittsburgh and just enjoy Randyland, or even go check out more about it online. Go check out their site. We'll link them below as well. With that, Matt's starting the car, and we're heading back home. I think we'll grab a bite along the way.
Absolutely.
Let's do it. All right, thanks guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you're having lots of fun with us. Be sure to hit that little bell. It notifies you every single time we do another upload, which is daily, because we're daily vloggers. And leave us a comment below. Was Randyland cool or what? It just was, right? But we want to hear your thoughts, so we're going to join you in the comment section momentarily. See you tomorrow.